Shenzhen, once a small fishing town, has exploded into a modern metropolis renowned for its innovation, skyscrapers, creative neighborhoods, and vibrant street life. For first-time visitors, one of the top attractions is SeaWorld in Shiku, a lively waterfront plaza centered around the historic Minghua ship, surrounded by restaurants, shops, and a nightly music and water fountain show. History buffs should explore the Shenzhen Museum, which showcases the city's rapid transformation, folk culture, and its role in China's economic reform. For a nature escape, head to Xiangmi Lake in Fushun for boating, walking, and scenic relaxation. Meanwhile, Shenzhen Reservoir offers hiking, forest views, and water tranquility away from the city hustle. For shopping, Shenzhen is a paradise of contrasts. Tech lovers will marvel at Huaqiang Bay, the world-famous electronics market, while fashionistas can browse the trendy boutiques and rooftop bars of Coco Park in Fushun. For traditional finds, don't miss Dongmen Pedestrian Street, packed with local stalls, clothes, and street food. When it comes to food, Shenzhen's culinary scene blends Cantonese influences with local innovation. Try silky dim sum in traditional tea houses or modern cafes. Sample claypot rice, grilled Beijing oysters, and Gongming roast goose. At Dongmen Night Market, you can indulge in skewers, stinky tofu, congee, and more. For dessert, the durian pancake is a local favorite. Locals also enjoy milk tea and pineapple buns, perfect for a sweet break after sightseeing. Getting around Shenzhen is efficient and modern. Use the metro, buses, taxis, and ride-hailing apps like Didi. For convenience, carry a Chinese payment app or card Alipay and WeChat Pay are widely accepted. Use public transport to reach places like SeaWorld, Fushun, and Shiku easily. Cultural experiences in Shenzhen range from the creative energy of OCT, loft a converted industrial area full of art galleries and cafes, to drone food delivery and futuristic air taxi tours for a taste of the city, smart city innovation. For relaxation, visit green spots like Guanlin Park or Lianhua Mountain Park. For safety, Shenzhen is generally very secure, but be mindful of crowds in night markets and maintain usual vigilance with belongings. English signage is growing, but it helps to know basic Mandarin or have a translation app ready. Keep hydrated, especially in summer, and be respectful when exploring residential or less touristed areas. Shenzhen offers a compelling mix of modern ambition, local warmth, food adventure, and cultural creativity, perfect for curious travelers.